So yes guys, it's early morning now, and guys we come at the bird bush to catch the bird shooting, but unfortunately the bird them ain't flying, so no shooting ain't going on. So they decide to run a small pot, so you know me all for that from a food, so you are yeah, catch the fire now. So I know what them are cooking, I say I eat that.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop.
So guys, I say breadfruit and Mr. Chicken, so I don't know what I want and what I want. So this is like they go roast breadfruit and cook chicken. I don't know if a curry or brown stew roast or jerk, but chicken and go on with breadfruit. You see me? Alright. So guys, the breadfruit them this again same way. Them a go on. Fire upon them.
Chicken reach now, man.
Chicken a come on too as well, you know. I cut up. Yeah man, so guys, I don't know if a brown stew, curry or roast jerk or what. But you know, chicken and breadfruit on the menu. See? So just go and stay tuned guys. Chicken and go and season up, you know. Just put
Pimento, reggae ball. You know about them something there? Nothing, so.
So you call it reggae ball?
So them call it.
Okay, me know it as pimento seed or pimento berry.
Real Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper.
Right.
Drop all the seed now that I can't eat it today.
And me not cut up pepper so cause me afraid of my hand when me done.
Onion, garlic. There we go. Can't cook without them this something there. All natural spice.
That's the scallion him put in.
Drop a piece of thyme on it same way. Throw on some garlic and
So the garlic, them a go in here now. Yes, so guys, you might rub it in, you know, because you don't know. You have to rub in your season to make it taste, you know.
Hit that now. Cover that down a little bit. Look how it go up on fire.
So guys, these are some crayfish. Yes guys, so you have to clean it out, clean out the head, because at the head them say the feces, you have to clean out them part there and get it well done. So the Jenna get them sort out, so let's go and stay tuned.
Clean out the tail to go through them frozen. We're going to make them thaw out first before we try to take out that.
Okay.
You have a line around and so you have to draw it. Once it's thawed out, we take out that.
Okay.
Now you're going to put that out there, make people think so we'll blow out. Now clean it up properly,
Okay.
In the fridge, so we can't touch that yet.
Alright, so you might just go and do what you can do right now that it's frozen, so when it thaw out, you must finish do the rest. So let's go and stay tuned, you will soon see more. So guys, jerk chicken on the grill, you know, no normal thing. I don't know. Them just go on, so them no 100 yet, you soon see them when them done. Let's go and stay tuned. So guys, brown stew chicken gone in a pot too. And man. So, I know. That is it. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever time I post a video. Bless up on yourself. Go and stay tuned. So yes. Chicken I turn up on the grill. Is it. So guys, I be something them are going in a pot. You know if a crayfish jungle where them call lobster or what, but them are that in the pot. Yeah man. Big cookout today. Yeah. See them now guys. See them coming on. That's what they look like. Can that go get called for van enough? Oh, the one knife. Yes guys, so I'll be finishing look this guys. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bless up on yourself, and guys remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified whenever time I post a video. Guys, I got to go fly. I come invade for my food, so sooner or later